Anna.
Anna's chocolate bunnies. Anna,
Those-
those are not yours.
Where's
Anna,
your Easter basket, honey?
Anna, there's some in your Easter basket too, like me.
Where's your Easter basket, Nan? I saw you looking at it. Where did the Easter bunny hide it?
Look at Easter grass. Mom.
What?
I have Easter grass.
I bet you have some in yours, too.
Yeah, it's green. But we can switch Easter grass.
Why don't you get it out for her basket?
Okay. And it's under here.
What'd you get, Nan?
Whoa, new chalk.
New chalk. Cool.
You want to open it?
No, not inside. Nope.
No.
Not inside.
No, we're not going to open it. The chalk to get it out.
We'll open it later when we go outside.
Okay.
What else did you get, Nan?
Green grass. Easter grass. All kinds of stuff.
What's that?
Fruit snacks.
Bunny fruit snacks.
Yeah. I told you had some.
And chocolate bunnies.
Yeah. Anna, look at. Mom, more.
No
Anna,
way.
look at. And there's one more thing. Candy. Of course she wants that candy. Mom, look at I'll eat it tomorrow.
You can eat it after breakfast.
Okay. Mom, look at
Yeah.
candy on the board. You mean I'll eat this tomorrow?
You can have one today.
Okay. Because it's Easter.
Yeah.